May is Stroke Awareness Month, and now there's treatment available for patients who suffer from the most severe symptoms. Andy Guevara gives us an up-close look at a new life-saving device.
It's a tiny device attached to a thin wire that is navigated through the body until it reaches a blood clot.
This is a mechanical device. What we are doing, we just go and remove it.
It's called a ProView Retriever. Dr. Raj, a neurointerventionalist at Renown Health, demonstrates how this new technology can save a stroke patient's life.
That's the clot. So we put this micro wire. It's like very, very thin wire, atraumatic, pass through the clot, and then we put this catheter.
Then a thin mesh stent expands and actually grabs the blood clot, allowing it to be pulled out of the body. The doctors rely on this biplane machine that creates three-dimensional images of the brain to help guide them through the tiny blood vessels.
With this device, it's almost a 90% chance of removing it.
Up until now, the most common treatment for stroke-causing blood clots was to dissolve them with a medicine called TPA.
Yeah, the TPA, if you use it, it'll take like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.
But 1/3 of stroke patients have big clots, the deadliest kind. Like one 52-year-old man who recently came to Renown's ER.
He came here at 6 o'clock with complete paralyzed right side, and then not able to talk, then we could able to bring in, remove it, and then now he's talking, walking.
There has been so much success with this new procedure that experts now consider it the new gold standard for stroke treatment. And Renown says they are proud to be the first hospital in our area to offer it.
Then we can be able to make him walk and talk. That's very, very important.
Covering Health Watch, Andy Guevara, Channel 2 News.